doing?
For the love of God, what do you want?
You have to do the dishes and the laundry right now.
Please let me rest for just 5 minutes.
I don't allow that in my house. You can rest when you're dead. But you can't make me do all that work. I can do whatever I want and no one can stop me.
Wait a minute. There might be one person. Hey, Grandma?
Hi, sweetie. What do you need?
Can you swing by? I need some help with something.
Oh, I wish I could, but I'm just too old to do anything now.
My mom didn't feed me last night.
I'll be right over.
What did I say about resting?
Oh, I can rest as much as I want.
Oh, really? Says who? Says me. Mom? What's all this I hear about overworking my baby? He won't work like I'm telling him to do. He doesn't have to. He's just a boy and he should be treated as such.
You're so right, Grandma.
Simon, do you want the belt? Do you want the belt?
No.
Now, go do the dishes. No!